Well, from the beginning, I felt that the building should evoke something particular to the region. And I had done a project not too far from here in Manhattan, Kansas, where I witnessed firsthand the prairie burns. So to me, that was really unique. I'd never seen anything like it coming from New England. So I thought that was one of the most interesting, one of the more intriguing stories to try to evoke in imagery for the design of the museum. Also, I wasn't aware of any other building that intentionally tried to evoke the imagery of fire, so I thought it would be very unique. The way I like to design is always, like I said, based on the concept. And I like to rethink things. I don't want to pick windows out of a catalog or things like that. I want to think, well, what does it mean? How would that concept affect what a door is, or how it's designed, or the shape of it? Or same with windows, or even louvers. Why try to evoke prairie forms and then just put a regular dumb rectangular louver in the wall? Every element of the design is affected, is inspired or directed by the intent of the concept. Well, the starting point for the design was the concept of fire, to me, fire in the prairie. So that as a starting point, there are lots of different scopes. There's the plan, there are the elevations, there are material choices, color choices, all of that kind of stuff. So all of those components, I started looking at, well, what does it mean for windows if you're trying to evoke fire? What does it mean for doors? What does it mean for ceilings inside? So things took on kind of a different perspective in a way, and it's always in relation to the concept of fire.